Before we jump back into our flip, Tom Wichman from Florida Friendly Landscaping Program shares with us some yard maintenance tips on wildlife maintenance.
Attracting wildlife is one of my favorite Florida Friendly Landscaping principles, but bird baths, bird feeders, even hummingbird feeders take maintenance. So it's important that you know how to take care of them. Provide a source of water, whether that's a bird bath or maybe even a water garden perhaps, and you want to make sure that that's clean. So if you have a bird bath, make sure you scrub it out. We want to scrub that out and change that water every few days. So you don't need any bleach, you don't need any special cleaners, just a scrub brush and a little elbow grease. If you have a bird feeder, we want to keep those cleaned out too, at least every few weeks. Maybe during the summer, you might have to do it a little more often where we'll change out that seed. In between changing out the seed, scrub it out. You can use a 10% bleach solution if it's plastic or glass. If it's a wood product, use just hot soapy water. If you're filling that bird feeder, make sure that you're using fresh seed. Now, if you have that hummingbird feeder, make sure you're changing out that nectar every 2 to 3 days. If it's hot in summertime, maybe even a little bit more often, and you don't need the red dye. Just have some sort of red on that hummingbird feeder. Doing these simple practices will keep wildlife coming to your landscape for years to come.